guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to do some ham sliders. We're going to use some butter, mustard, Worcestershire sauce, Swiss cheese, Hawaiian rolls, some ham that I got from Walmart, and some mayonnaise as well. So this is just kind of a simple list of ingredients for you guys, just so you can kind of see it all spelled out. I will also put it in the description below in case you kind of wanted to copy and paste that or print it out or do whatever you need to do to take it with you to the store. So to start off, we are going to make the sauce that we're going to put over the top of the buns. So first we are just going to cut 1/4 of a cup of butter, stick of butter, and just go ahead and melt it in the microwave really quickly. Alright, so now we're going to begin mixing together the sauce. First we're going to start with 1 tablespoon of mustard. I used yellow mustard because that is what I had in my closet. But it does call for Dijon mustard, I think, but you can kind of use whichever one you want. Next is going to be the Worcestershire sauce. So we're going to do 2 teaspoons of that. It looks like I'm doing 4, but that is because I have a 1/2 teaspoon in my hand. And then next we're going to go with a 1/2 teaspoon of the minced garlic. And then we are just going to kind of mix that all together just to make that sauce for us. So now we are actually going to go ahead and kind of cut these buns in half like they should be. Leave them all attached together, but just go ahead and cut them in half. And you can ignore my struggle with my mayonnaise. So next we are going to go ahead and spread on the mayonnaise. We're going to want to put that on both the bottom and the top bun. So just go ahead and put a layer on of that. I use the squeezed mayonnaise. You can use whatever kind you like. I didn't measure out the mayonnaise, but I do like kind of like some extra mayonnaise. So I did use quite a bit of that, which might gross some people out, but I think mayonnaise is delicious. So next we're going to do the ham, and depending on what type of ham that you bought, you might need to slice the ham. So I got this half ham from Walmart, so I did have to slice that. We're going to do a layer of ham and then a layer of the Swiss cheese. And I kind of layered it and a little bit double layered it just because I wanted it to be extra cheesy. And then we're just going to go ahead and put that top layer back on the top there so that we can go ahead and put that sauce on the very top that we made earlier. So basically we're just going to take the sauce and kind of just spread it over the top of the little buns here. If you don't have one of these baster brushes, really you could use anything. You could even just pour the sauce on top if you'd like. This just kind of gives it a little more of an even flow to it. Alright, we are now ready to go ahead and put these in the oven. We've got that oven preheated at 350 degrees. And we are just going to go ahead and leave those in there for 15 minutes. And voila! We have our ham and Swiss sandwiches. Perfect for your potluck for work, or if you're feeding a party, having a pool party, or anything at your house. They are super, super delicious. And then you are ready to go ahead and serve those up and watch everyone enjoy. Again, thank you guys so much for watching, and go ahead and subscribe to the channel so you won't miss any of our videos, and we will see you in the next one.